what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the outer tie rod end on your car, or BMW in this case. So today we're gonna be working on the right side, so on the passenger side. Get the bolts loose, jack the car up, and then support the car in jack stands to be safe. Once you have the wheels loose, then remove all the bolts holding the wheel. Take the wheel off, and for your safety, put it under the car. Now we are able to see the tie rod. So that's right there, guys. And so there are two bolts we need to loosen. Is this guy up here and this guy. Take it off, and then we're gonna have to measure how many threads or how deep this one goes in. So when we put the new one in, it's all good for us until we go and get a wheel alignment, because we definitely need a wheel alignment after this job. That is a 7/8, guys, socket. So get that and loosen it. And that is a 5/16, guys. So make sure you get it in there good before you start unscrewing it, otherwise we're gonna have a lot of headache with it if we strip it. Okay, looks like it's there in good. Okay, so we got this one loose too, guys, which is great news. There. Boom. Perfect. So this was that bed. Oh, there you guys can see. Before we do anything else, let's measure if these two parts are the same size. Okay, yes they are. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a screwdriver in between here to open it up, and then I can help it from here to get it loose. Okay, so you can either count the number of threads of this one, or I have another idea. I'm just going to use some electrical tape around here. So when this one comes loose, or vice versa, the new one is tightened there, we don't exceed that point. So that's another way of doing it. So let's go ahead and get this guy loose now here. Since we have the place here where to hold it, after you mark how deep the old one is in, just get the old one loose here. Okay, 6, 7, 28, 29. Okay, so 30, and now let's go ahead with the new one. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 30. perfect. And I believe the new one is 13. Yes, so it's a 13mm bolt, which we are gonna tighten right now. The thing here now is that I don't like this new tie rod. The reason is because I cannot tighten the bolt here if I do not jack this one here, because the bolt didn't come with an Allen key locker or whatever there, so that's why right now I'm just spinning. Let me just show you guys. I hope this is gonna work, because I have no other way of tightening this if this doesn't work. There. Just enough that the, let me see now here. Yep. So that's the way to go, guys. I know I'm gonna have a hard time to take this off at the end, but when this goes bad, but I might as well cut it at that time, right? So the new tie rod is done. All we need to do now is just put the wheel back on, torque spec the lug nuts, and done. And then we'll take it to the wheel alignment to take care of the rest. So guys, that is gonna be the video for today. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.